Hello, AVID. So, as we're getting started with this week, first things first, you must absolutely finish and turn in your note checks from last week and go in and do the peer grading. So, either Monday or Tuesday, your goal is to finish those note checks. Like we talked about last week, the tutorial is being continued. So, if you've already made a post, that's great. If you haven't, go ahead and start posting and interacting with that. The tutorial will be done at the end of this week, and we'll pick up on a new tutorial next week. But we do have a new note check from this week. So your goal is finish up your note checks. Make sure you're writing excellent notes. If you've looked at the rubric that's already in there, you're being graded on those 4 key pieces: the summary, the essential question, the notes, and the fact that you've interacted with them. Speaking about that interaction piece, I tossed in a how to toss in, or not toss, but how to include comments into your Google Docs so you can have that interaction even if it's online. Go ahead and watch it, give it a try, and I look forward to seeing how it all works. I'll be seeing you guys on Thursday, the 24th. In the meantime, have a great week.